Hello, this is Will Middleton from WPCourseGuide.com. In today's video, I'm going to cover some very basic WordPress essentials for how you can install a theme and plugins in WordPress. So what a theme does for your website is sort of act as a general skin that determines very general layout settings, and you can install a theme by going to Appearance, Themes. Then from here, you can go to Add New, or you should have some default WordPress themes here as well. The one I recommend the most is Astra. There's a free version of Astra that's very robust. I believe Ocean WP is another popular one with a free version, but you can go to Add New here, and then you can install and activate a theme. That'll determine some very basic layouts for your site, and you can go to the Customizer in order to change those settings. In order to install a plugin, you'll want to go to Plugins, Add New, and we should see here the whole repository of WordPress plugins that are available on WordPress.com. And the plugins pretty much add a unique piece of functionality. For example, LifterLMS is a plugin that allows you to create courses and memberships on your website. So you can see that here, the plugin adds these 5 options here. Elementor is a very popular page building plugin that adds a couple of options here. And then, BuddyPress allows you to kind of turn your website into a little bit of a social learning platform. And, anti-spam allows you to protect your comments on your blog from getting spammed. And so plugins can do all sorts of different things. None of them are necessarily essential, but the theme is something you'll want to set on your site for sure. So that's a very basic intro to LifterLMS themes and plugins. Feel free to, not LifterLMS themes and plugins, WordPress themes and plugins. If you have any ideas for videos you want to see me do, feel free to suggest those down in the comments. Thanks for joining me in this video, and I'll see you in the next one.